Hi everyone and welcome to Loopy Mabel Crochet, and my name is Jane and this is my crochet channel. In today's video it's a quick announcement video of my latest giveaway for this Charlotte Capelet, which is my latest design. If you saw the tutorial on how to make the Charlotte Capelet, you would have seen that I was also going to give this one away, made by me, to one lucky subscriber. So today's the day, and I have done a random number generator amongst all my lovely subscribers, and the winner I will announce in a moment. Welcome back, and as I say, it's purely a quick video on announcing the winner for this Charlotte Capelet. I've had loads and loads of lovely feedback on this design, and I'm so glad you enjoyed the tutorial. And of course, as always, there is the PDF pattern that you can download for a few pounds in my shop, and you can get the link for that in the box below too. I really do appreciate when you do buy my patterns. So without further ado, I would like to announce the winner to receive this capelet, and the winner is Diane Langus. Diane Langus. So well done, congratulations to you, Diane. I have no idea where you are in the world, so I just need you to pop on to my Instagram page, Loopy Mabel, and direct message me there, and obviously I'll get all your postal details from there, and I will be able to send you out this very pretty dusky pink and blue Charlotte Capelet. And thank you to everybody who left lovely comments. I love reading your comments in the tutorial for this, and congratulations again to Diane. And that's really all this video is about today. Also, before I go, if there's anything that you would like me to do a tutorial on, anything at all, maybe it's a crochet stitch or maybe some sort of crochet design, pop your message in the comments box and I will certainly see what I can do. But I have lots more crochet tutorials and designs coming your way, so watch this space. But in the meantime, thank you so much for your support. If you're watching this video and you're not a subscriber, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell, and then you'll never miss out on any of my tutorials and my crochet inspiration vlogs too. But until the next time, please take care, and always practice does make perfect. But until the next time, please take care, and thank you so much for watching.